If you're watching this right now, you are definitely interested in learning how to make money quickly with PayPal, which is precisely what I will show you in today's video. You won't need to invest any money or use a credit card to do what I will teach you. So the strategy I'm going to teach you is for newbies. It is user-friendly and very simple, and it only took me around 30 minutes per day to accomplish it. This service is favored since it provides an automated PayPal transfer within 24 hours, allowing you to get your earnings quickly. It is also available globally, so anyone in any country can do it right now after watching this video. And I will show you exactly how to do it on your computer or phone, so stay tuned and don't miss a thing because I will show you a special bonus after this video where you can earn an extra $100 in PayPal money. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. The website I'm going to show you today is the one right in front of your eyes. I know some of you have seen it before, but this is an entirely new method that I'm going to teach you step by step how to do. To get started, go ahead and click on their Start Making Money green button, which will take you to a page where you can register as a tester and start earning money online. Now, you must not skip any part of this video because it will ask you a total of 16 questions that you must answer correctly for them to approve your sign up. So before you go to the website and test it out for yourself, I want you to watch the entire video. Now I am going to establish an account, and as you can see, the first question is, what type of mobile device do you have? So I will select between an iPhone and an Android smartphone, and because I prefer Android, I will just click it and go on to the next question. Which PC are you currently using? Now you may choose whether you want to use a Mac or a PC. In my case, I am going to use a PC and then click Next. What version of Windows are you currently using? I am going to select Windows 10 and then go to the next step. In question number 4, gender isn't a big deal, so I will just choose male and go on to the 5th question, which is what year were you born in? So I will just type my answer in this box and then click Next. As a result, this is critical because if you pick a college graduate today, you will be offered a higher paying position. After all, you already have a job and a source of money. So, for the time being, I highly encourage you to choose college graduate and then click the next button right here. What is the status of your present employment? You have the option of being self-employed or working part-time, so I will select part-time and then go to the next step. What industry do you work in? When you get here, you can also click on this View Extra Results to check if there are any results for you. Thus, for question number 8, you may select from a range of options. Now, here is a bonus tip. If you work in the information technology industry, choose a topic that is connected to it, and you will be able to make a lot more money on this website. So I chose information technology and then click the next button. So, for question number 9, as you can see, there was a job title here, and when you click on this tab again, you can see that there are a lot of options to select from. I will go with marketing and I will go with search marketing techniques and then click next. So, how much money do you make every year as a family? For this question, you should select between $25,000 and $125,000. Therefore, I'm going to go with the higher end right now and push the next button. What is your full name? I will enter it right now, and then I will go on to question 12's next button. What is your email address? So I'm going to type in my email address and then click next. Question 13 is critical since they want your PayPal email right now to transfer funds to your PayPal account after your assignment is completed. Make sure you key in your PayPal email address correctly, and then I will click the next button once I've typed in my PayPal email address. Question 14 is very simple. Just type in your password right here and then I will move on to question 15, which is also very important because they will ask you what time zone you are in right now. When you click on Detect My Location, you will be asked to manually pick your time zone. If you right-click on this link, you will be able to select the time zone from where you're coming. You may pick here and show for the results and you will find your country. Simply set your time zone now right here, whether you're from Africa, the United States, Indonesia, or Nigeria. For the time zone, I will choose America, and for the country, I will choose the United States. Now for the states, I may choose one of these four for myself, such as Alaska, and then click Next. For question 16, all you have to do is click here and say yes, I agree, and then click the sign up button, and that is pretty much it. Okay, I would like to congratulate you on successfully registering your account after this lengthy 16-question process. I understand there are a lot of questions to answer, but you can complete them in under 2 minutes if you watch this video and follow my instructions correctly. As you can see, as a thank you for signing up, they will send you a confirmation email with a link to your screener test. Check your inbox from the website to validate the area, and then you will need to activate your account by clicking on the link in an email. When you click the link, you will be taken through a 1-minute screener test, during which I will show you exactly how to complete it and then show you a real-life example of how you can earn from this website. Then you can click this Take the Screener Test button right here. As you can see, you can make money testing websites from home. Right now, we are searching for people to test websites from their phone or place of business, and it only takes a minute. This is short, and you should open this page in your phone's Google Chrome browser and click the link in your email or while you're activating your account. As you can see here, I will test websites for money, so click on this white button and they will give you training. You may watch the tutorial videos, but it is all really simple. This green small bubble, this green little ball, is where you can click to see what tasks you have to complete. So this is where your assignment and instructions will appear right here on this green ball, and then I will just hit Next. With this bar, you will now return to the upper right-hand corner where you will always know what to do if you need help. You can always click on this to expose or hide tasks, making it quite helpful. You can even drag and drop it right here into any area you desire. So I'm going to click here right now and I'm ready to start this task. So click this white button here, and when I click this white button, please install the website's extension and then you can return to this website Validaily, which is the website we are using, and you can go to their URL at panel.validaily.com. As you can see, over 100,000 people are using them to test websites from the comfort of their own homes, on their computers or phones, and you may earn PayPal money by doing so. Of course, if you love this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, click the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. Okay, now let's return to the video. After you've installed the Google Chrome extension, click this blue button to add it to your Chrome browser so you can begin testing the website on your PC or phone. Following that, you will be given an assignment like this in which you will be asked to test the website on Amazon's web server. You might be able to land one of these positions, but don't worry, the approach and guidelines are simple. As you can see, in step 1, you must go to the Amazon website by clicking this link. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the Amazon website. Now that you've completed step 1, go to step number 2 and take a screenshot of the Amazon website homepage. The reason you might want to take a screenshot or a photo is to give them proof that you visited the website. All you have to do is use your phone to take a screenshot as proof or evidence. If you're using a computer, consider utilizing the snipping tool and then just drag and drop to snap a screenshot of the homepage, which you can then provide as proof or evidence that you did actually visit the Amazon website. So now that I've completed step number 2, they want me to see if I can find this today's deal on Amazon and take a screenshot of it. So I'm going to go to the Amazon website and look for today's deals. And as you can see, the reason they want us to find today's deals is that they want to know if people can find it or if it's difficult to find. As for me, I'm going to look for today's offer, but I will show you a quick tip since they are usually on the toolbar top. As you can see here, I can quickly find random by clicking over here for today's deals. So when I click this button, I'm going to go to these pages, which you can see here, and I'm going to take a quick snapshot of today's offer, and then I'm going to go on to step 4, where I'm looking for Scott's Standard Bath Tissue and taking a screenshot of it. I am not sure what it is, but I'm going to highlight it and copy it here so I can go back to the Amazon website and paste it in there, enter that phrase, and click the search button, and maybe I will be able to find this item, which is Scott's Standard Bath Tissue. Since this image is right here, all we have to do now is take a snapshot of the complete page as proof that I was able to discover this thing, and that is all there is to it. As you can see, the technique is really simple. They want to test the website to ensure that when customers or surfers go to Amazon.com, they will be able to find today's deal. They want to make sure that customers know exactly where to seek whatever they are looking for. So once you've supplied confirmation that the image and screenshot were done, you will be able to collect money via PayPal. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.